Why are some TV so popular? Greetings. My name is Julesi Toribio, and today I will be talking to you about why some television programs are popular. Some of the television programs are popular because they invite people who are in the middle of the show scenes. That is, they always have special guests, shows as artists who are very famous today. On the other hand, it is important to note that they keep informed of everything new in the world of technology. By this I mean that they always innovated with the different shows day after day. They also keep up with events in the world of entertainment. That is, they communicated to the public everything that happens to celebrities, both positive and negative, such as that they got married, that someone died or had an, an unpleasant moment in their life every day. Granted, a new television program that is very famous and entertaining is El Gordo y la Flaca, due, due to the great diversity of content that it brings to its public, where they interview film artists, comedians, cook, they bring news and a number of famous people making the afternoon of each of the people very satisfying. Thank you.